everyone, it's Abhishek again, and in today's video we're gonna talk about a turkey squid. That is key. If you're never gonna experience the taste of good bad apple, you're never gonna value the taste of good apple. So it's a turkey squids, and in that we are not just talking about the apples. Even if we talk in the concept of apples, अगर आपको starting से ही अच्छे अच्छे सेब खाने को मिल रहे हैं, तो आपको actually में उसकी true value को समझ में नहीं आएगी. But if you have eaten the apple whose quality is not good, who's not in the greatest of the state, then after that, if you gonna eat that very good apple, you will be able to appreciate and differentiate between the difference of qualities, taste, and value of that good apple. It actually, in the context of life, कि अगर आप हमेशा से ही अपने आप को एक पॉजिटिव सिचुएशन से पाते हो, आप हमेशा से हार्डशिप से बाहर रहे हो, तो यू आर नॉट गोना अप्रिशिएट द वैल्यू ऑफ लग्जरी, वैल्यू ऑफ थिंग्स दैट यू हैव गॉट. बट इफ यू आर इन द स्टेट ऑफ हार्डशिप, अगर आपने वो जिंदगी में मेहनत करके रखी है, आपने टफ टाइम्स देखे हैं, नेगेटिव सिचुएशंस देखी है, अपने अराउंड उन लोगों को देखा है who just whoop the trap, like all the negative situations, then when the positive situations come, when you turn the table up for yourself, you're gonna value the tables. अगर आपको खराब लोग नहीं मिले, उनके साथ आप नहीं रहे हो, तो उन अच्छे लोगों की कभी आप अप्रिशिएट नहीं कर पाओगे कि हाउ गुड दे आर. बट अगर आपको जिंदगी में वो लोग भी मिले हैं who have put a lot of negative things in the table, who have given you the hard moments, then जब वो लोग मिलेंगे जो कि they are the optimistic people who just put the positive side of things for everyone, who just greet you with the smile, then you're gonna appreciate the optimistic kind of peoples. That then you're gonna appreciate that smile. If everyone just meet and is like, yeah, nice, how are you, man, then it's like it will not value, in a great way. You will never understand the value of this smile. But when you're around the people who just meet you so rudely, like whatever kind of, and it's like suddenly you get few people who just greet you so nicely, then you're gonna appreciate those smile and those people's ki how impactful and how good it is to greet someone with great smile. So this quite simply state ki in life, experiencing both negative situations and positive situations are equally essential for the growth and development and for real maturity and understanding of the real world. Because in real world, it is very rare to always get the great things. So it's like if you're always being in a circle where everything is so great and suddenly you get the negative situations, you will be like you will feel you're like at the place somewhere which is out of the world. But if you've already faced in the situation, if you've already seen the politics going around, if you've already seen the person with the city mindset, then it's like you're gonna always appreciate all the good person who are into the life, and that is not just great for you, it is also great for the people who are actually good, because they don't want anything but they want a respect, gratitude from you, and because that make them, that is the fueling, driving force, that is the fuel to stay motivated, stay good, and stay that positive person. So always appreciate that one good one motivating person, one smiling face, and one who always so kind and good to you. That's all in today's video. We're gonna meet in the next video again. Till then, tada, take care, bye bye.